Welcome to a transformative journey into the future of money. In an era of rapid technological advancements and dynamic economic landscapes, it is vital to equip ourselves with a deep understanding of how money is evolving and the profound implications it holds for our lives. Financial education is the key that unlocks the doors to financial empowerment, enabling individuals to navigate this shifting landscape with confidence and seize the incredible opportunities that lie ahead. In this comprehensive article, we will explore in great detail the trends, concepts, and innovations shaping the future of money, highlighting the critical role of financial education in guiding our path towards a prosperous tomorrow. The rise of digital currency. Prepare to embark on an exploration of the transformative realm of digital currency. The future of money is being reshaped by the rise of cryptocurrencies such as Bitcoin, Ethereum, and countless others. These digital assets offer unparalleled advantages, including enhanced transparency, security, and decentralized control. Immerse yourself in the intricacies of blockchain technology, smart contracts, and decentralized finance, as we delve into the potential benefits and risks associated with digital currencies. By understanding these concepts, you will be equipped to navigate the evolving landscape, make informed decisions, and harness the vast potential of this digital revolution. Decentralized finance, DeFi. Welcome to the disruptive world of decentralized finance, or DeFi, where traditional intermediaries are being replaced by smart contracts and blockchain technology. Through DeFi platforms, individuals can access a wide array of financial services such as lending, borrowing, and trading, all without the need for traditional banks or financial institutions. We will explore the intricacies of DeFi, discussing its potential to revolutionize financial systems, empower individuals with greater financial autonomy, and democratize access to financial opportunities. Uncover the risks and rewards of this emerging landscape, empowering yourself to navigate this new frontier confidently. The impact of artificial intelligence, AI. As we journey into the future of money, we encounter the transformative power of artificial intelligence, AI. Machine learning algorithms, predictive analytics, and automated trading systems are revolutionizing the financial industry. By delving into the world of AI, we uncover how these technologies facilitate faster, more accurate decision-making, risk assessment, and fraud detection. Learn how AI is reshaping investment strategies, empowering individuals with data-driven insights, and transforming the way we interact with financial services. Gain a deeper understanding of these AI-powered advancements, enabling you to harness their potential and make well-informed financial decisions. Financial inclusion and emerging markets. Let us embark on a voyage of financial inclusion, exploring how emerging markets are being empowered through transformative fintech innovations. Witness the immense impact of mobile banking, digital wallets, and microfinance platforms on communities that were previously excluded from traditional financial systems. Discover how these advancements are revolutionizing access to financial services, empowering individuals to save, invest, and participate in the global economy. By understanding the significance of financial inclusion in emerging markets, you will not only gain a broader perspective on global economies but also unlock new opportunities for collaboration and growth. The importance of data privacy and security. As we navigate the future of money, we encounter a crucial aspect: data privacy and security. With the growing prevalence of digital transactions, protecting sensitive financial information has become paramount. Immerse yourself in the world of cybersecurity best practices, encryption techniques, and risk mitigation strategies to safeguard your financial assets. Understand the potential risks associated with online transactions and learn how to mitigate them effectively. By arming yourself with the knowledge of data privacy and security, you can confidently engage in the digital financial landscape, protecting yourself from potential threats and ensuring the safety of your financial future. Green finance and sustainable investing. Embark on a journey towards a sustainable future, where the realms of finance and environmental stewardship converge. discover the rising importance of green finance and sustainable investing, where financial decisions align with environmental and social goals. Uncover the strategies behind sustainable investments, such as impact investing and environmental, social, and governance (ESG) criteria, enabling you to allocate resources towards projects that contribute positively to society and the planet. Through this exploration, you will not only empower yourself financially but also play an active role in building a more sustainable future for generations to come. The role of regulation. Navigate the intricate landscape of financial regulation and understand its crucial role in shaping the future of money. Explore the evolving regulatory frameworks that govern digital currencies, decentralized finance, and emerging financial technologies. Learn how compliance, consumer protection, and transparency are essential pillars in safeguarding the financial system. By understanding the regulatory landscape, you will gain valuable insights into potential risks, stay ahead of legal developments, and confidently navigate the complex world of finance. Financial education can be implemented in various ways to help individuals gain knowledge and skills to make informed financial decisions. Here are some ways in which financial education can help. Budgeting and saving. Financial education can help individuals learn how to create and stick to a budget and save money effectively. By understanding the basics of budgeting and saving, individuals can make wise financial decisions, avoid debt, and achieve their financial goals. Debt management. Financial education can also help individuals learn how to manage their debts effectively. It can teach them how to reduce their debt and avoid high-interest loans, credit card debt, and payday loans. Investment strategies. Financial education can help individuals understand different investment options and strategies, such as stocks, bonds, mutual funds, and real estate. This knowledge can help them make informed investment decisions, minimize risk, and maximize returns. Retirement planning. Financial education can also help individuals plan for their retirement by teaching them about retirement savings plans, such as 401(k), IRAs, and pensions. By understanding the importance of retirement planning and the available options, individuals can make informed decisions about their retirement savings and achieve financial security in their golden years. Entrepreneurship. Financial education can also help aspiring entrepreneurs learn how to manage their finances when starting and running a business. It can teach them how to manage cash flow, track expenses, and make informed financial decisions that will help them achieve their business goals. In addition to the above, financial education can also help individuals improve their financial literacy, which can have a positive impact on their overall financial well-being. By understanding financial concepts such as interest rates, credit scores, and taxes, individuals can make informed decisions about their finances and avoid costly mistakes. Implementing financial education can be done in various ways, such as workshops, online courses, financial literacy programs, and mentorship. Governments, financial institutions, and non-profit organizations can also play a role in promoting financial education by offering resources and programs that help individuals gain financial knowledge and skills. In conclusion, financial education can empower individuals to make informed financial decisions, achieve their financial goals, and improve their overall financial well-being. By implementing financial education, individuals can gain the knowledge and skills necessary to navigate the complex world of finance and build a more prosperous future. Congratulations on your transformative journey through the future of money. By delving into the intricacies of digital currencies, decentralized finance, AI, financial inclusion, data privacy, sustainable investing, and regulation, you have equipped yourself with the knowledge and insights to thrive in this rapidly changing world. Embracing the power of financial education, you hold the key to unlocking a prosperous future, where you can make informed decisions, seize opportunities, and navigate the evolving landscape with confidence. Remember, the future of money is within your grasp. Embrace it, empower yourself, and embark on a path towards a thriving tomorrow.